as Russia's most modern T-90M tank can withstand a harder punch before blowing up, the tank is still very vulnerable to many different threats on the battlefield. One being of course the FPV drone, as seen with this Ukrainian drone operator skillfully chasing down a tank and hitting it perfectly over the engine, breaking it down and mobilizing the tank, causing a second FPV drone to be able to strike it more easily, which also increased the chances to completely destroy the tank, as seen here when the ammunition catches fire, destroying the tank completely, turning the $5 million tank into scrap metal, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.